another edition of As Told by Bree. I am, of course, Bree, and I am back with another video. So, I used to do these home decor hauls all the time, and I kind of got away from them, but I really miss doing them. Y'all know I love all things home decor, and I also really haven't done a home update for you guys. So I want to show you guys some of the new things that I have picked up in regards to home decor. So if you know me, you know I love dark and moody home decor, so it's going to be a lot of blacks, a lot of black and white, a lot of gray. We're gonna get some greenery, and you know that's a little out of the box for me. It's a bit outside of my comfort zone, but I'm about to run through and show you guys everything that I picked up. And this ranges from very affordable things. So I got some of this stuff from Dollar Tree. Listen, y'all know I have a great relationship with Dollar Tree. Okay, of course, Homegoods. I even picked up a few things from Restoration Hardware, but they're way more affordable than you think. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, I went to Crate and Barrel for the first time. And listen, baby, them prices were nothing to play with. But I did want to pick up at least one thing from there because well, really, I went in there to see what luxury looks like. Like, that's why I go to Restoration Hardware sometimes, literally just to look around, just to get a feel for what luxury looks like, and then to find duplicates other places, so find good dupes. But I saw this in Crate and Barrel, and I absolutely loved it. I had to have it. It is a vase, and it sits on my coffee table. So, with this, I saw this in DIY by KB's video, DIY with KB. She does a lot of modern home decor, and I was like, oh my gosh, love this. And I think it's okay to have a couple expensive things in your collection as well as in your wardrobe, you know? Like, not everything has to be expensive. Not everything has to be pricey. Trust me, I'm all about doing things on a budget and being budget friendly. But I do think it's nice to have one or two things where people walk in and they're like, you know what? That's nice. Also from Crate and Barrel, I got this tray. It's like a concrete texture. Anyone who knows me knows I love gray. That is my color. I also really love concrete. So that vase that you just saw sits here on my coffee table next to some magazines, which I'm about to show you from Restoration Hardware. Alrighty. So next, your girl was at Restoration Hardware. And I picked up a few magazines. This is not my first time getting magazines from Restoration Hardware. If you don't know, Restoration Hardware is one of the most luxurious stores when it comes to home decor. It is very expensive. However, they always give out free magazines. So I got this magazine. I got this one, which is one of my all-time faves. I have two of these. It's like that same concrete texture that we just talked about. And then I also have this one, and I stacked them on my coffee table really nicely, and they look really good. So like they fan out, kind of like so. It looks really good. My coffee table's black. My living room decor is black, gray, and gold. So as you can see, it's like perfect. Alrighty, so now moving into Homegoods. I went to Homegoods and I wanted to shop for my bathroom, so I picked up a few things. So these, honestly, I don't really know what these types of things are called, but they're like little trinkets, and you kind of just sit them wherever. You can sit them at an angle, you can sit them flat, you can sit them standing up, this way, that way, this way, however you see fit. You can kind of do whatever with it. And these just look so modern to me. I think they make a home look way more sophisticated, way more sexy. So picked this up, and this was $15.99 at Homegoods. Like I said, we are decorating the bathroom, baby. So I picked up this, which is like a shower caddy. So it's gonna sit in my shower. I have a see-through shower if you have seen my home tour. Well, my empty apartment tour. Either way, go ahead and watch that. But yeah, so this is gonna sit in the corner just so that it looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And it's gonna sit there, and then I'm gonna have like some soap bottles. I want to put a little plant in there, and then I also want to put a taller soap bottle in the back. So it's going to be really cute. I got this idea from Oh That's Mo. If you don't follow her, or if you're not subscribed to her channel, definitely subscribe to her channel. Sis is fire when it comes to home decor. So shout out to her. So I have these bottles. I've already had these. I got these from Amazon. They're on my Amazon store. These two bottles that I'm going to put right here. And then I'll probably put a tall bottle in the back. It's probably going to be black or white. And then I got this plant from Homegoods. Uh-oh. I got this plant from Homegoods, which is probably going to sit right here. and I may paint this a different color. I may paint it black, I may paint it white, just kind of depending, but I'm really excited to put this up. Of course, you know, you can't go to Homegoods without picking up a few smell good items. So I picked up this candle from Homegoods. It is so cute. Like I said, I love gray and black. I just thought this was very modern. It smells amazing. I also picked up this spray, and I think I want to start a tray in my bathroom to where I keep all the things that smell good. So this is the spray that I picked up. It is a woodsy floral scent. It is from Homegoods, and it has that same gray color, which is why I liked it. And it kind of reminds me of perfume, which I thought made it, you know, gave it like a really nice touch. So, yep, that's going to sit on a tray in my bedroom once I finally do get it. So you spray this in your room and then on, I guess, your linen, so your bed. Let's see how it smells. So fresh and so clean. I got another one of these things. Like I said, we don't know what these are called, but we like it. And like I said, they're really decorative. They can kind of sit wherever, stand however, wherever you want to put it. But it's just very sophisticated. I think it's just a modern touch that you can kind of just accent with anything. So another thing that I found from watching a lot of DIY with KB, I picked up this bowl from Target. So this is a part of the Studio McGee's collection. It might be part of Studio 62. Either way, this bowl, absolutely love it. Decorative bowl, very modern. It came in like a concrete texture, so it's definitely concrete. If you can see it, it has a very strong concrete texture. However, it came in like a gray color, and it was like a light gray, like a natural concrete texture. So like if you were walking on the sidewalk, that kind of texture, like a beige gray, if that makes any sense. So y'all know how I get down. I don't think I even gotta say it, but I will. I spray painted it black, like I do everything. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys this picture that I downloaded from Etsy. And this is gonna be a part of my bathroom makeover, so definitely be on the lookout for that coming very soon. It's a set of 3, so there's this one. There is this one, and there's one more that's way deep under there that I'm not gonna pull out, but yes, so definitely be on the lookout for those coming soon to my bathroom makeover. Alright y'all, that is all for our home decor haul for today. As you can see, a lot of the stuff is very dark. It's black, it's dark gray, it's very moody. That's what I like to go for here in my apartment. I've just kind of always been that way. I know a lot of people are into the neutrals right now, but I'm always going to be a dark and moody girl. I can't help it. I don't want to help it. I love it. I just do. So if you like this video, definitely let me know, and I will start doing more of these. I'll start doing budget-friendly home decor hauls. I'll start going out to different stores and taking you guys with me. We can do some shop with me's, and then I can come back and do a haul. We'll figure it out, but we can definitely do it. I love home decor, so just say the word, and the content is on the way. But yeah, if you like this video, definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.